ORIENT Flex Group, the one-stop supplier of flexible hose and coupling, has 18 product series and over 50,000 product SKU. Garden series hose used for garden watering and car washing, and household cleaning, in parks, communities, factories and families. Our capacity is 40 GB 1 month. PVC Garden Hose. Nice appearance and bright colors. From 3 layers to 5 layers. It can withstand different pressures. It can be cut into different lengths according to different needs of customers for easy use. And the hose length is generally less than 50 meters. Outer packing is customized carton box packing. Different water stop connectors, repair connectors and spray guns can be connected. Meet your different needs. Knitted garden hose. Made of extremely tough polymer materials and advanced tensile polyester reinforcement lines. Lightweight and durable, waterproof and oil-proof, pressure-resistant and wear-resistant, with good telescopic properties. Excellent anti-distortion ability, bright colors more popular among customers. Hybrid garden hose. Outperforms PVC with better resistance to wear and tear. Easy maneuverability around obstacles and tight spaces. Withstand extreme conditions, ensuring year-round water flow. Resists abrasions and punctures for long-lasting use. Suitable for various outdoor applications. Garden kits. Our durable and flexible hose ensures easy handling and efficient water flow for all your gardening tasks. The set comes complete with connectors for hassle-free attachment to faucets, ensuring a secure and leak-free connection. Choose from various spray patterns to suit your watering needs, from gentle misting to powerful jet streams. Everything you need in one package, saving you time and effort in assembling your watering system. Irrigation kits. Commonly used in agricultural planting and irrigation, hoses and accessories are low-priced and can be used in large areas. Watering time and spacing can be controlled manually. It can be packaged as a complete set at the factory and is easy to install after receiving the goods. The inner round emitter drip pipe is to insert a round emitter into the pipe to make it an integrated pipe. Emitters together with the pipe easily install. Widely used in various drip irrigation projects, such as economic crops, vegetables, flowers, tea gardens, fruit trees, economic trees and field economic crops in the greenhouse. In addition, we also have garden water wheels, lay flat hose, suction hose and other garden series products. We have 7-system service system. We can OEM the package and pattern. The package is also determined by yourself. We have strict customer complaint process, starting with understanding the product before you buy. We will provide text and video to facilitate your understanding of the product and our company. We have different quality grades. The quality of common products can meet 80% market demand. Besides that, we have Rose, Reach, California 65 quality, our warehouse, clean and tidy, for keeping products and raw materials.